And I must say that all the places that we're going to visit today are very safe at this time. So in case you want to take pictures, recording videos, perfect. In case you need some help. So here in Mio, we have the model of car that changed the history of almost the whole world. The classic 4G model 1920. This car, at the beginning, because it was created in 1908. Absolutely, yes. For example. That got here just for one reason, to drink the classic pisco sour of this bar. Why is important? Probably you can recognize some of these people that represent them. We have a festival in the south, in Ica, in the desert, that we call it Vendimia, in where we have a big festival of people dancing on grapes. They dance barefoot on the grapes to create the most. That's the festival of Vendimia. And then you have to clean it in different machines, but in the past was imprensado. I hope they have a good salary, because it's a very exhausting job. So the plaza that is dedicated to the hero of our independence is also now a meeting point before the protests, for the demonstrations. From here we have a view of the coffee time. Yeah.
No, esta es cámara vieja.
now we have Chinese influence because after we got out of African slave, they started to bring a lot of Chinese to work. This is the expensive house. And we have this kind of royal guards all around in every corner of the plaza. In front of us with a big flag is the presidential palace, the government palace. And it's just next to the city hall where is the mayor. The yellow building with the yellow flag, that's the city hall of Lima. City hall palace. And in the other side you have other two buildings there. The Archbishop Palace with a beautiful balconies, wooden balconies for the Archbishop. Then you have the Lima Cathedral that way. So a square with a new one. What's the difference? Because in the past they used it for different things. Oh my god, what's that? I hope it's water. Espero que sea agua, espero que sea agua. Oh my god. Okay, so this was when the plaza was a market, but not like an official market, a illegal market. That's very secret because in those times we were having some political problems with the Spaniards, between the Spaniards fighting each other, so they had to bury it very secret. Then we just found it 50 years ago. It was lost in the history like 400 years. That's bad. Yeah. And now look at this place, that fountain. That fountain of water. The one I told you that was the only place to take water from fresh water from those times. We celebrate that fountain also every July 27. We replace the water of the fountain with pisco. It's one day where you watch pisco coming up from the statue. We are going now for the pisco tasting. The pisco tasting is located just in this corner at the right, but these two blocks are full of souvenir stores. So, well, in case you want to buy anything, it's okay. It's a private tour. The catacombs are located underneath of that big yellow tower. That is the Basilica of San Francisco. That's why in the past the name of the street was like that. Calle del Rastro de San Francisco.
Again? Yeah. Okay. Real pisco.
Yeah.
Ese compás está